front of me is OPPO F21 Pro 5G, and today I would like to show you how we can switch on or off location of this device. First of all, you need to go into tab menu and find location icon. When you find it, click on it, and as you can see, mine is white. That means that location is disabled. If you wish to enable it, click on the same shortcut. You can always go into settings as well if you wish to. Scroll down and tap on location section instead. Then tap on this switcher next to location feature to turn it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!